What is up, trappers? Check it out, man. Another beautiful day out here. The trapway is full. We got the blazer all shined up, cleaned up today. The mini truck's gonna stay home today. We're gonna take the Equinox. We got a cooler and some stuff packed in there, guys. There is the notification that Trap My Ride is live, guys. We are on our way to, I think it's called Stack and Jack, or Jack and Stack. I get them backwards. I can't remember. But anyway, that's where we're going, and I think that's up at by Gallops in Bristol, Indiana. I think the Stang Banger is already on his way. You can see we got the Journey Gang. He's loaded up back there, guys, and we are ready to roll out. So after that, I think we're going to go up to Granger to the night therapy meet up there and see what's going on up there. Boom, there it is, Journey Gang. He got that Flowmaster on. I think that is my cue to get out of here, guys. We will see you very soon at Stack and Jack. I can see everybody watching. What's up, Eric? Come out and see us, man. Bring that thing. We're going to Stack and Jack and then the Granger, man. I'll post the links to both of them as soon as I can. So we'll get those posted in there. Eric, if you want, man, the link is up there. I think it's Keelan too, or it's Trevor. But wherever we are, guys, we'll post the links and get them up there. Stack and Jack, I'm pretty sure, is in Bristol. The other one is in Granger. I can't remember, 20 by 40 something. I can't remember. Where's the meet at? We're going to Granger tonight, man. Check out Night Therapy's page. They have it posted. I think I posted it on Trap My Ride also. It's really easy to find. Check out Night Therapy, and they have it's a picture of an Audi, and they made a banner and stuff. So that's where we're headed, guys. That was my cue. I'm always late. They're probably like, man, let's go. So guys, I'm getting off here. We'll see you real soon. Eric, hopefully we see you up there, man. That'd be awesome. All right, guys, keep on trapping.